Hi. I know this is a long shot, but do you guys have any oat milk?
Mira, we got Goya and a loose cigarette. You want it or not?
On God, they preyed on my downfall. Fuck y'all.
There. Now don't nobody's nasty kids mess up my grandbaby's good couch.
Yo, let me hold $1, man.
Of course, Susan. I completely agree with that assessment. Wonderful point. This bitch is stupid.
I'm channeling the trauma of my ancestors!
My ancestors just want you to shut the fuck up!